Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make this delicious lemon butter salmon. This recipe is so easy to make, so simple and packed full of flavor. It is amazing. So let's get right to it. And guys, while you're watching, do not forget to hit the subscribe button and like this video. So the first thing you'll need will be some salmon fillets. You'll need capers, lemon, butter, and parsley. So I'm gonna start off by brushing some melted butter onto my fish. So this is gonna add some really good flavor, help add some color to the fish when it's cooked, and also help the seasoning stick to the fish, okay? This is definitely optional, but I just love me butter because butter makes everything taste better. But if you don't have butter, you can use olive oil, but I'm telling you, butter works amazing. So now I'm gonna be seasoning with some salt, some black pepper, some freshly cracked black pepper, because it is amazing. I just love the flavor of black pepper. It is awesome. So after adding my black pepper, I'm gonna be adding some paprika for some heat. You can replace this with chili powder if that's what you have, but I love smoked paprika. It is awesome. So after my paprika goes on there, I will be adding some garlic powder, because why would you want to make fish without garlic? Garlic is just amazing. And I'm sprinkling some dried dill on top of that because, you know, the flavor is just awesome. So using my fingers, I'm going to be pressing the seasoning into the fish just to make sure everything sticks properly. And I'm going to try to use the side of the fish to mop up all the extra seasoning that fell on my platter. This is just to make sure that the seasoning is well distributed all around my fish. So once that is done, I'm going to flip my fish over and make sure I get some seasoning onto the skin. Guys, make sure you season every part of your fish or chicken or beef, whatever it is that you're cooking. Just make sure you season every part of it. It makes a difference, okay? But as you can see, I'm gonna just really take my time here to just make sure I get all that seasoning all around the fish. So this is gonna make for some really flavorful fish. So once that is done, I'm going to be moving on to my air fryer, which I'm going to be using today. I've been having a beautiful love affair with my air fryer, guys. I'm telling you, this stuff is amazing. It makes cooking so easy, and it just yields some really juicy and evenly cooked fish every time I use it. So it is awesome. So I'm lining it with some foil just to make cleanup really easy for me. You can cook without the foil, but I just like putting the foil there because it traps all the juices from the fish, but it makes cleanup really easy. So now I added some butter and I placed my fish on top of my butter. That butter and the bottom is gonna keep things from sticking. And I added some extra butter to the top. My capers have gone in there and the juice of half a lemon. Guys, here is the trick for juicing lemon. Put your lemon in the microwave for a few seconds, maybe about 10 seconds, and it makes all the juices come out so easily. So once I have that, and I'm going in to make sure I take out all the extra seeds that fell in there, I'm gonna put my salmon into my air fryer, and it will be time to start cooking these babies up. So my air fryer comes with some preset settings, so that's what I'm going to be using. So I'm going to be using the fish setting, so which will cook it at 380 degrees. It says for 8 to 12 minutes. Today I cooked it for roughly about 9 minutes, just to make sure I don't overcook my salmon. Okay, be careful guys, make sure you don't overcook your salmon. So when I had less than a minute left, I went back in and added some extra butter. So this butter is just gonna melt down and create that beautiful lemon butter sauce that you can scoop over your fish. Okay, but it is optional, but I love it. So once my time is up, there you go guys, this is what it looks like. Amazing. So today I'm gonna be serving my salmon with some aioli, and of course I like to make things pretty, okay? So now my salmon has gone on the plate. I also have some rice there. I'm garnishing with some parsley just to make it pretty, and I'm scooping that lemon butter caper sauce on top of my fish, and it's time to dig in, okay? This is my favorite part of the show, when I get to taste it. Guys, just look at that. Just look at how flaky the salmon is. It is not overcooked, perfectly cooked, cooked evenly all around. Amazing. And this aioli, ooh, awesome. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. Be sure to like this video, leave comments in the comment section down below, and if you have not done so already, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button. I love you guys. See you all in the next video. Bye.